Okay, we're on 3.5, using variables to express inequalities. Word problems can be solved by creating inequality statements. Aria has 55 to blah blah blah. Okay, I'm just gonna jump right in. Basically, we're gonna be writing equations to represent these statements. Okay, Andrew had $20 to spend at the fair. If he paid $5 to get in, so Andrew pays $5 to get in, and the rides cost $2 each, what is the maximum number of rides that he could go on? So Andrew, and by the way, we're using R to represent the number of rides. So Andrew has to spend less than or equal to $20. So that's why I'm going less than, because he only has $20. He paid $5 to get in, plus $2 per ride. So 2 times R. That's my inequality. 5 plus 2 times R is less than or equal to 20. So let's solve this. So I'm gonna minus 5, minus 5. So 2 times R is less than or equal to 15. I'm gonna divide by 2, divide by 2. So R is less than or equal to, let's see, I'm gonna simplify this. 2 goes into 15 7 times. So this is 7 and 1/2. So R is, he can take less than or equal to 7.5. You can't take half a ride, so I'm gonna say 7 rides. Number 2, Sandra has a $75 to spend on a new outfit. She finds a sweater that costs twice as much as a skirt. What is the most the skirt can cost? Okay, so she, again, her budget is 75, so she needs to find her clothes for less than or equal to 75. And she's got, S represents the cost of the skirt. So the sweater costs twice the skirt, so that's 2S plus the sweater plus the skirt, 1S, is less than 75. That's an S, not a 5. 2S plus S is less than or equal to 75. So let's solve this. 2S plus S is 3S, is less than or equal to 75. Divide by 3, divide by 3. S is less than or equal to 25. The skirt, the most the skirt can cost is $25. Okay, number 3. Alan earns $7.50 per hour at his after-school job. He is saving money to buy a skateboard that costs $120. So again, he has to spend less than $120. How many hours does he have to work to get the skateboard? So $7.50 per hour. He needs $120. Okay, H represents the number of hours. So 7.5 times H has to be less than or equal to 120. So I'm going to divide by 7.5, divide by 7.5. So here's my math, 120 divided by 7.5. Now, I don't like doing decimals here. It's confusing to me, so I'm gonna move this over here and move this over here. Sorry. I'm gonna turn 120, move the decimal over 1, so it's gonna be 1200 divided by 75. Okay, 75 doesn't go into 1, it doesn't go into 12, it does go into 120 one time. 1 times 75 is 75. So I have to subtract. 10 minus 5 is 5. I had to borrow from the 1, so this becomes 11. 11 minus 7 is 4. Bring down the 0, 450. How many times does 75 goes into 450? I'm gonna think that it could be 5. I'm just thinking, how many times does 100 go into 450? 100 goes into 450 4 times, but 75 is less than that. So 75 could go into it 5 times or 6 times. I'm gonna try 6. 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 7 is 42. Plus 3 is 45. Okay, I guessed right. The answer is 16. So our inequality was 7.5 times h is less than or equal to 120. And then he will have to work Did I do that backwards? He will have to work 16 hours. But I think I did this wrong. I think that it is greater than or equal to. He has to work more than 120. He has to work greater than or equal to $120. So I got this backwards. Okay, that's gonna be it for this one.